What's the meaning of attach? Attach. Attach.
Attach. Attach. Attach means to connect or fasten one object to another. The result of attaching objects can vary depending on the context. For example, attaching a file to an email allows the recipient to access the file, while attaching a leash to a dog ensures they remain in control while walking. Attaching a hook to a fishing line enables the angler to catch fish, while attaching a trailer to a vehicle allows for the transportation of goods. Overall, attaching objects provides a way to combine or secure different elements to achieve a specific purpose.